Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Jansen Fancher with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, and I have the privilege of showing you this brand new 2023 Sea Ray 310 SLX. Got the stone interior, ratchet seats here in the rear, battery switches right there, battery chargers, side entry step, engine hatch is right back here, lift up completely, which is where your table is stored. This seat will rotate to face forward, or just like you see, so everyone can be together. Refrigerator, storage compartment, got your sink there, full-size cooler storage, big storage compartment under here, little ski and tow locker. Got your head, dual 12-inch screens here, dynamic running surface. Your Axios joystick system. This boat's powered by twin 300 horsepower 6.2 liter MerCruisers. Great seating in the front, and you've also got a bow filler cushion that will fill this spot. For any questions, or if you'd like to come and view the boat, again, my name is Jansen. My number is 573-606-3029. Thank you and have a great day.
The hull side color is quantum blue with a black gel coat stripe. And here on the transom, it does have the hydraulic swim step.